Alright, it's AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video is about ignition coil, right? Ignition coil. We have to talk about the symptoms of ignition coil. The ignition coil problem symptoms. What ignition coil can cause your engine, or symptoms to your engine to know that your ignition coil has failed, right? What you encounter. So this is what we are going to tackle, and it will help you and assure you that this ignition coil can cause your converter, catalytic converter, to fail or damage your catalytic converter. You ask why and how. Yes, I'm going to show you. So follow me step by step, and we should go. So let's take ignition coil right now. Here, you know that ignition coil converts low voltage from the car battery into the high voltage needed to create a strong spark or a spark plug. Right, yes. So it has symptoms when it fails. So this is the common symptoms when your ignition coil fails. Right. The one is rough idle or misfire. Rough idle or misfire. When your ignition coil fails or it is bad, your engine will misfire, and then your engine will shake or vibrate. Yes, your engine will shake or vibrate when, especially it at rest or at stop. When it's idle and you start the car, you see that your engine is shaking, not getting good sound or run smoothly as you expected. So as you start this car, you can hear the sound and you can see that the engine is shaking here. So this is the problem of engine misfire. When it's misfire, you can sometimes somehow if the car is running or is working, this one can short voltage because I run it here. When there is a leakage, instead of supply the power straight to the spark plug, it's rather leaking out, right? So it can affect the performance of your engine. That will get engine misfiring or engine vibration. Your engine will vibrate, and you thought is the spark plug, right? But maybe it's the coil itself. Yes. So this is the symptoms of this ignition coil. And then the second one is the engine light, right? Engine light. Your engine light will come on the dashboard when your ignition coil is not good, right? It's not good. So check engine light will come on when your ignition coil is not good. And sometimes when you diagnose or scan it, right, with a scan tool, it will give you a certain code to a certain cylinder, right? A certain cylinder, and it will tell you that this particular cylinder does not function, right? So it happened like that. You have to check your ignition coil first, right? And to know that your ignition coil is function well or not, and to know the particular ignition coil that has failed, right? That has failed. Yes, so that you can change it before it become too late. And then we have the difficult starting, right? Difficult
Because of the low
starting.
voltage from
Your
the coil
engine
to the spark.
starting. When you want to start your car, you face challenge when it is starting. You crank it, but it will take a long before you start because of the it will crank, but you face difficulties when it's starting, right? And then you have the poor acceleration. Yes, you have the poor acceleration. That is loss of engine power. Loss of engine power. When your engine lose power, when your engine lose power, when you want to accelerate, yes, you will not get what we expected when your engine want to move, or how your engine you want the engine to move, right? And you have bad performance or weak performance engine. So this is the common symptoms of the ignition coil. And then we have the strong gas smell. Strong gas smell. A strong gas smell, you know that if you smell a strong gas at the tail of the car, it means that your engine is not burning the fuel mixture correctly, right? Because what the injectors will spray inside the combustion chamber need to burn and to give you the smooth running of the engine. But when your coil is not good to produce a strong power to the spark plug, so that the spark plug can ignite spark to the mixture so that it can burn well, it lets the fuel come out from the pipe, so the combustion will not burn, or you not get good combustion. Your mixture will not burn. So that mixture will pass through the converting catalyst converter to the tail, right? So this strong gas smell can damage your catalytic converter. When it come out raw without burning, it can damage it. So this the common symptoms of the ignition coil. The common symptoms of ignition coil. So don't overlook this symptom, especially a strong gas smell or a strong fuel smell out of your car or out of your tailpipe, right? Don't overlook. Just focus and then solve that problem once and for all, so that it will not cause you much. So when it happens like that, check your ignition coil.